You guys, happy September. I have so much stuff in front of me, but I'm going to show you all my fall decor and my Halloween decor, and don't mind my foundation has come off of my nose. My hair is a mess. Don't mind it. Happy fall, guys. Okay, so I'm literally going to start off with decor. Well, all of its decor. I'm gonna start off with like my fall decor, flowers, like my pumpkins, and then I'm gonna move on to my Bath and Body Works. Yes, you heard me. My Bath and Body Works fall candle collection. Y'all are gonna see it, and then I'm gonna finish with my Halloween stuff. Some of this Halloween stuff you've already seen in my Shop With Me TJ Maxx and Home Goods video. But the audio at the end of that video when I was doing the haul part with my good little Dunn finds and everything was really awful. So I'm going to show you guys that today. Okay, and if I have the sniffles, I've had a sinus infection for like the last week and a half. So sorry. But I'm going to start off with my flower arrangements. A lot of these are pre-made like flower arrangements. I just go to Michael's and like Hobby Lobby and I do my own thing. I always have. I love it. This first one is just this really pretty brown, orange, and red and purple bouquet. It is zip tied. That's how we do in this family. We zip tie. But I think this is so pretty and so stunning. It's just got some little oranges and red flowers tucked in here and amongst hydrangeas. So that's the first one. We have this one, which has different colored roses and hydrangeas in it. I love hydrangeas, by the way. It's one of my favorite flowers, so there's quite a bit in here. But yeah, I think this one's really pretty. I like this one. This one's probably one of my favorite ones that I have. It's very fall, very nice. This one Seth actually made for me last year. He's a keeper, guys. But look at this one, guys. It's so pretty. I have a tote, so I'm gonna pull everything out of this tote. So I have two little signs. This first one is a fox and it says, "Let's get cozy." I picked this up from Target last year, I think. I think this was like $3. Something like that. I picked this one up from Target as well last year. So it's corn maze, hay rides, apple orchard, farmers market pumpkins. This one was $3 last year at Target. I'm actually going to go to Target tomorrow and look around, so I'll probably do maybe a part 2, but I just wanted to get this filmed because I wanted to start decorating. And I have just vase fillers in these neutral colors. This is the only glass pumpkin that I have, and I'm pretty sure I got this maybe at Hobby Lobby last year, but I want more, you guys. These glass pumpkins are so pretty. I took the tag off. I'm not sure where it's from, but it is really pretty and I want more. The next couple things are just these little picks. They just go in arrangements and I just kind of pluck these in. They're pretty nice. The glitter is like sprayed on. It's not going to come off, but these are really pretty, and I did get these at Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. I know I had 3 of these. I promise I had 3 of these. I had one pumpkin. These are picks also. And then I had 2 of these like odd, well, I guess they're both pumpkins, but I had one like a circular pumpkin and like 2 this shape. I don't know where the other one has gone off to. But I got these at Hobby Lobby last year. This is probably one of my more favorite pieces. It is just this little gold burnt, like I'll say burnt orange, but it's gold little holder. And it's got some flowers. It's got this like honeycomb type situation, more flowers, and then a white pumpkin. You guys, this is probably one of my favorite pieces that I have. I don't remember where I got this, but I think I got it 2 years ago. It's one of my favorites. A red vase to put stuff in, and I do put I put stuff in like the clear cylinder vases too that you can find at Dollar Tree, so those are everywhere. Garland, I may or may not use this year. I'm not 100% sure. More of these vase fillers. These are oranges and browns and reds. I've got this bouquet of flowers here that I've put together, and it's really pretty. And yeah, it's kind of different side to side. I don't know. It's pretty cute. I don't know. I'll probably do something with this. It's not one of my favorites, but I think it's really pretty. I'm surrounded. You guys should see this. I have these 3 little leaf candle holders that I know I got at Dollar Tree a few years ago. I have a red one. It's just like a little tea light candle holder. I've got green and orange. I like to put these kind of, you know, around. I'm gonna have to really figure where I'm gonna put stuff this year because Ian. So a lot of this, I have like shelving and shelves and things that I want to decorate. And then I have these candles. I've had these owl candles forever, you guys. They're just little owl candles. I don't remember where I bought them or how much they were. I've had these for over 6 years. I know I've had these for over 6 years. Maybe closer to 7 years, but how cute. And I've never lit them. They're just strictly decor because I love owls. They're really pretty, and they've even got, you know, like detailing on back. And then I have also these little pumpkin candles. Pretty cute. These were gifted to me last year from Seth's mom because she knows I have a thing for candles. And then I have these little fabric-y, very fall plaid, just, it's like styrofoam candles, basically, or styrofoam little decor pieces, basically. So I kind of put these, you know, around. And then the last thing is just this leaf candy dish. So that's everything that was in the tote. I'm gonna chuck all this stuff back in, and then I'm gonna show you my candle collection. Whew, I just had a huge sneezing attack. Okay, so I'm gonna go through and show you guys my candles that I have from Bath & Body Works. But actually, before I do that, I'm gonna show you this little dish here first. Yes, this also is fall stuff. So I have and this is all like not used stuff pretty much. Okay, so I have this pumpkin cupcake hand cream. I think this is from a year or 2 ago. Pumpkin butter. I have 2 wallflowers left from last year or the year before. Glitter on me? No, it's just a piece of hair. I have sweet cinnamon pumpkin, which is one of my favorites, and leaves, which is obviously another favorite. I have some room sprays. I have leaves, of course, and I put myself off on buying room sprays and hand creams and wallflowers because I bought candles this year. I didn't need any more of this stuff. I have sweet cinnamon pumpkin. Then I have pumpkin apple. I have another leaves, different packaging, and I have another leaves. I don't know how old this one is. I'm pretty sure these were 2 different years. And then I have pumpkin cupcake. These smell so good. You guys, these room sprays are like the tiniest spurt will like, whew, 1 room plus some. Let me tell you. On for candles. The first one I have here is pumpkin pecan waffles, but all of these are have never been burned. This is so strong. Did I get this? I got this in 2014. Limited edition 2014. I know I had gotten a few of these. I didn't know I had gotten them not long ago. Anyway, so that's from 2014. Now on for my bigger candles. So the first one here is caramel pumpkin swirl. And then we have pumpkin peanut brittle. Those two are from last year. I'll show you guys the ones from last year, and then I'll show you guys the ones from this year. No, I'm not, because I don't know what's what. I'll be frank with you, I don't know what's what. I'm feeling stuffy and my head's getting to me. But I'm just gonna power through this. I have Marshmallow Fireside, which is a classic. So good. This is like white packaging. It's really pretty. I have Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, Campfire Donut, Maple Cinnamon Pancakes. I know this one's newer from this year. I love this packaging. I think it's so pretty. So pretty. Pumpkin Apple, Feast. This smells delicious. Pumpkin Clove, and again with the packaging. This is from this year. It's so beautiful. Leaves. I have a few more of these in my closet. Don't tell anybody. This is my favorite candle, literally of all time. Happiness. And then white pumpkin. So good. I only went shopping, I think, twice at Bath and Body Works for fall candles, because I have a lot and it can turn into a problem really easily. I think I only went once. Did I only go once? I don't know. Now on for the Halloween stuff. Okay, so for Halloween stuff, you guys have already seen some of this, like I said. The first thing I have is this Witch's Potion candle. I picked this up at Home Goods, I think. It doesn't smell very good to me. It smells like black licorice, but I really like just, you know, the look of it. It's really pretty. I also have a candy corn one that I kind of want that actually smells really good. And then I have my beloved Sanderson sisters. Let's see if I can do this. There they are. I have my little Sanderson sisters that I'm going to display for sure. Super cute. See if I can get the glare off. Kind of. There we go. Now on for the Ray Dunn stuff that I had found that I've already shown you guys. I found this Boo cake stand. I'm going to display this like this. I haven't found very much Halloween stuff at all. I'm still looking, honestly, but I've just not found very much. But it's a Boo cake stand. It's absolutely adorable, and I'm going to display it on the side like this. And then I have my Witch's Feet mixing bowls that I've still not seen a lot of people talk about or post about, but I've decided I am going to keep them. This smaller one is Bewitched. I'm going to stack them up and fill these with candy on display, but that is Bewitched right there. And the next one is I Put a Spell on You. And the last one is The Witch Is In. And then I did find these at Home Goods. I hadn't found anything, went through the checkout area, and this was the only bowl sitting there. I have seen a couple of posts about the label since I posted that video, because the label doesn't match the bowl set. This one is like the rim of the bowl is little witches hats, and I kind of really want to find this, but I've not seen this either. It's poison, concoct, and spells and potions, if that will focus. But a lot of people are saying that it doesn't match. A lot of people are like, I really want that. So the last couple of things that I've found, I haven't found what people are adapting as the Dunn mummy, the Marvin mummy, the little guy that holds the mixing cups. But I have found this guy, so it's a little bobblehead. He's so cute. Ian wanted him. The first time I saw him at Home Goods, I almost bought him. That was the night I found the witch's feet mixing bowls, but I didn't. I was like, oh, I'll just get these mixing bowls instead, because I'm probably not gonna see them again, and I haven't. Ian was upset I didn't get this guy, so just last week I saw him at TJ Maxx. It was at TJ Maxx, and I got him. How cute is he? He's so cute. The last thing that I purchased, and I was really happy that I found this. There were only 2 left, and I saw that they've just kind of been released, are these dog bowls, and one says Trek and one says Trait, and they are Dunn Halloween. And I have a small dog. She uses a really small bowl, but I'm gonna put these on display anyway. I wanted them, and the night I got these in my little mummy guy here, I encountered my first like Dunn crazy moment. There was a guy in there, and I just could hear somebody yell, like a female. I'm assuming it was his wife, because he was wearing a wedding ring. They're starting to put out like their Thanksgiving stuff, and she was like barking at him, what to get. And then he looked at these for a moment, because I was kind of like, because I had a couple of Thanksgiving things that I was gonna, like, two like mugs I was gonna get, but I'm like, oh, I'm gonna get these instead. I don't need Thanksgiving stuff. I'm not gonna hardcore on Thanksgiving stuff. I'm gonna go hardcore on Christmas, I think, because that's exciting. But I got these instead. But he was looking at, there was only 2 of these out. He was looking at the other one. She's like, no, we're done with Halloween. We're done with Halloween. He's like, but you don't have these. And she's like, I don't have a dog. He's like, okay. I'm like, just put them on display. What's the big deal? The last thing that I always put out around Halloween is this book. It was a Barnes & Noble's edition. This is the Grimm's Complete Fairy Tales. This is the one, guys. The people are like, oh, the fairy tales that we know as a kid, you know. Yeah, this gets a little gruesome, guys. But I like to read it around Halloween. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know how you decorate, or if you're finished with your Halloween stuff, or do you even pull out Halloween right now? Today's September 2nd, so I'm still trying to figure out if I'm going to put out my Halloween stuff. I might wait until October 1st, but fall stuff for sure is going out. So please comment and let me know what you guys think of this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and like it. It just makes me feel so happy. And subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.